Hello friends, in this video we are going to review one more SME IPO, which is Swashthik Plascon Limited IPO. This IPO has opened on Friday, that is on 24th of November. It will get closed on 29th of November. The Swashthik Plascon is engaged in manufacturing of PET performs and bottles. In this video we are going to see IPO details, IPO timeline, company's business, company's financial and fundamental details, anchor investors, IPO's day 1 subscription status, current grey market premium, and finally we will see whether we should apply for this IPO or we can skip this IPO. Please watch the video till end so you will not miss any important update. If we look at IPO details, then company has kept face value of 10 rupees per share. The price band of the IPO is kept at 80 rupees to 86 rupees per share. One lot will consist of 1600 shares. Total issue size is 40.76 crores. So this IPO is not very big. This is fully fresh issue IPO. As this is SME IPO, it is going to get listed on BSE SME. Nikon stock brokers are market maker for this IPO. 5.03% for market makers, 19.01% for qualified institutional buyers, 14.25% for HNI players, and maximum, that is 33.25% for retail investors. This is the anchor investor list for Swashthik Plascon IPO. There are main 5 players involved as anchor investors in this IPO, namely Resonance Opportunities Fund, Neomile Growth Fund, Kingsman Wealth Fund, Silver Stallion Limited, and Chanakya Opportunities Fund. We can see that anchor list is strong. Company aims to raise 11.16 crores out of 40.76 crores from anchor investors by offering its 13,48,800 shares. For anchor investors, there will be locking period for 50% of the shares for 30 days. Which will end on 16th January 2024, and for remaining shares, locking period will be for 90 days, which will end on 9th of April 2024. If you look at promoter holding, then at present, the promoters of the company are holding 60% of the shares. After listing, it will get diluted to 43.81%. Already the promoter holdings is less, which is 60%, and after listing, it is further going to get decreased and it is coming below 50, so this might be concerning, because for any company it is good if the promoters are holding at least more than 50 or more than 60% of the shares. To buy single lot of this IPO, we will require 1,37,600 rupees. Retailers can apply minimum and maximum for one lot, and HNI players can apply minimum from 2 lots and onwards. If you look at IPO timeline, then this IPO has already opened on 24th of November, which is on Friday. It will get closed on 29th of November on coming Wednesday. The basis of allotment will start on 4th of December. The initiation of funds will start on 5th of December. On 6th of December, the shares will get credited into your Dmat account. And on 7th of December, shares will get listed on the exchange. Swashthik Plascon is Pondicherry based company incorporated in the year 2007. Company manufactures PET bottles for various applications such as pharmaceuticals, liquor, FMCG packaging, household, dishwashing liquids, repellent dispensers, etc. Company also produces PET performs for soft drink bottles, packaged drinking water bottles, and juice bottles. Company has 6 plus manufacturing units with 550 plus employees. These are some of the images of manufacturing units. Company has quality control lab equipped with testing equipment to access the capacity and quality of the products. So looking at company's business, we can observe that company is in highly competitive and fragmented segment, which is of PET bottles and preforms. For any company to evaluate financials, we need at least complete data for 3 years. For this company, the data is available only for one complete financial year, which is for the year 2023. For the financial year 2024, the data is available for 2 quarters. If you look at financial data, then assets, revenue, profit after tax, net worth, and reserves and surpluses has been increased. But at the same time, company's total borrowing has increased. Company is in debt. The latest values in the financial year 2024 in second quarter was accounted to. Assets were accounted to 11,416.09 lakhs. Revenue was 6,973.65 lakhs. While profit after tax has increased from 302.19 lakhs to 528.48 lakhs. Company's net worth was accounted to 2,564.07 lakhs. Reserves and surplus were accounted to 1,281.59 lakhs, and company's total borrowing has increased from 5,879.54 lakhs to 6,231.66 lakhs. If we compare company's revenue and company's total borrowing, then the total borrowing is very high. So we can observe that company's financial data is not so attractive. If we look at company's key performance indicator, then PE ratio is 17.23. So PE ratio is good. Company is not overvalued. Post PE ratio is 14.29. Market capitalization is not very big. It is 151.05 crore rupees. Debt to equity ratio is very high, which is 2.89. Earning per share is 4.99 rupees. Return on net worth is 14.95. If you look at peer comparison, then Technopack Polymers Limited is direct competitor for this company. Technopack is offering higher earning per share, which is 5.40 rupees. Net asset value is also high, which is 31.65, and PE ratio is also less as compared to Swashthik, which is 17.21. Swashthik Plascon is offering higher return on net worth, which is 14.95. If you look at objective of the issue, company will utilize the funds raised from this IPO for funding capital expenditures, for developing new manufacturing facilities and installation of plant and machinery, for funding of capital expenditure requirements of the company towards setup of solar plant, purchase of plant and machinery at existing manufacturing facility, and funding working capital requirement of the company and for general corporate purposes. So objective of the issue are good. Company will utilize the funds for company's growth. It will definitely help company to grow its business. If we look at IPO subscription status, then on the first day, this IPO was subscribed only 0.47 times. On day 1, qualified institutional buyers have not participated in this IPO. HNI players have subscribed this IPO by 0.47 times and bid for 2.74 crore rupees. Retail investors have subscribed this IPO by 0.74 times and bid for 10.07 crore rupees. So total bid has occurred for 12.81 crore rupees at the end of day 1. As company's financial and fundamental data is not very attractive, qualified institutional buyers have not participated in this IPO. If on day 2 or day 3, qualified institutional buyers and HNI players actively participate and oversubscribe this IPO, then only we should think to apply for this IPO. And even if we apply for this IPO, then our aim should be on profit booking on listing day instead of holding the shares for longer duration of time. If we look at grey market premium, then the grey market premium for the Swashthik Plascon is continuously trading at 7 rupees. The latest grey market premium is also 7 rupees. The cutoff price for this IPO is 86 rupees. At this price, the estimated listing price will be around 93 rupees with 8.14% of listing capital gain, which will be around 11,200 rupees over the investment of 1,37,600 rupees. So the expected listing gain is also less, which is less than 10%. If the grey market premium increases and the application from qualified institutional buyers and HNI players increases either on day 2 or day 3, then we will decide whether to apply for this IPO or not. But looking at the company's financial data, the company is financially not very strong. Company is in higher depth. So this is all for IPO review of Swashthik Plascon IPO. Stay tuned for latest subscription status and current grey market premium. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share this video. So don't forget to subscribe this channel for more such important IPO update videos.